Okay guys, what's up? Good afternoon. So, andito kami ngayon sana sa Bitanlaya Survivor Camp. Dito po ginaganap yung Survivor International Reality Show. So guys, gusto ko lang ipakilala sa inyo yung aking special guest for today. So, bali, from Ma'am? Oh, yes, can you please say hi to my vlog, Ma'am and Sir? Yes. So, kumusta po yung tour nyo po dito sa Karamuan?
Masaya!
Oh, amazing, good. Okay, bukas po. Bali sir, ma'am, bukas short trip po kayo. So ngayon, dito na po yung last island po natin for long trip for today. So, I hope you all enjoy, ma'am and sir, dito po sa Karamuan. Yes. And siyempre, ma'am, so gusto nyo i-shout out. Shout out nyo na, ma'am.
LSP Travel and Tours!
Yes, sir.
Technology Incorporation.
Yes.
Suki Rubber Stamp Services.
Sir.
Andy's Garden.
Yes, thank you.
JMP Garenta, lagi mo nakakalimutan.
Guys, don't forget to follow lahat ng sinout-out nila. Salamat po. And, ma'am, inuulit ko po, ako po si David pag nasa Mainland. Ako po si Paila Mos pag nasa
Boss.
Isla.
Yes!